Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your Snapchat history. So first of all, just open up the Snapchat application, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and tap on this gear icon in the top right corner. Now in settings, scroll all the way to the very bottom of the page and right above the logout, you can see the option My Data. Just tap on it and this is the page I had opened in the beginning where it show all the data that's available for download. Now once you download them, as you could see up here, it's going to send you a zip file and it says it's best viewed on a desktop. There are applications that let you view zip files and unzip them on a phone, but they don't work very well. So the best option is to finding a desktop, a computer to view it. If you don't, just go ahead and search how to view a zip file on a phone if you don't have any access to a computer. But let me get to the bottom of this page finally and submit request. And here it's going to say we are preparing a copy of your data and we'll email it to you. So it's going to be sent to the email that you use to sign up for your Snapchat account. So once I get that, I will jump into my computer to let you know exactly how to view it. So by a couple minutes past, I got an email that says please click here to access your data. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here. And again, you will have to log into your Snapchat account because now I am on a computer and not inside of the app. So let me do that. And this looks like the same page I showed you inside the app. The only difference is my data is ready and I could download the zip file here. Let me press that and it's downloading. Let me go ahead and unzip it here. So here we have three different folders here: HTML, index and JSON file. You don't have to worry about what these are, but we want to go down and open the HTML folder here, and you could see all these different HTML files are different things. So account history is here, but if I wanted to look at Snap history, that's this option here. So I need this to open up in a browser. Let me just go ahead, open with a browser and go ahead, just block this. This is from my actual Snapchat, but you could see from these are the different people that send you a Snapchat. What they send you was a video image that will be over here and the date that was created, all of that is here. So you could go to the Snap history on the side, you could go to the chat history, again the same kind of thing will happen. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.